You build?
A helicopter.
You built a helicopter? Whoa. Can you tell me about all the parts that you put on there?
No.
What's this thing in the back here?
The propeller.
Propeller? And where does the person sit?
In here.
And that's actually called the cockpit.
And that comes up. And then this comes down.
Mm-hmm.
And this goes.
Mackenzie, by the way, is taking a video of you.
Of course. Can you show me your other creation? I see something on the floor down here.
And then this, I don't know that.
Ooh.
And then this.
Okay.
It's a vehicle on a car.
A Jeep?
Yeah, a Jeep.
Cool.
And
Looks like there's a lot of parts to that.
Ah!
A lizard?
Yeah.
That's awesome, Kenzie.
And he rides on the back.
He does.
Ready?
Are you going to build the jungle next?
Yeah.
Cool.
After I do this.
I see.
And then the wheels, and then it makes it, the wheels makes a wheel. Done.
And who got this for you? Grandma Gigi?
Yeah.
I think you opened this one at her house, huh? Cool. You guys pretty happy with the toys you got for Christmas?
Yep.
Yeah.
You guys are super lucky you have such wonderful family.